guys! So, ang tagal since our last vlog. Nag-celebrate kami na our wedding anniversary. Good morning! So, mag-shoot lang ako ng maternity. Tinitake advantage ko lang habang wala pa akong stretch marks.
Nice!
Lapit mo sa akin.
Wait lang, ganyan lang. Okay, dito ah.
So, dito kami nag-check-in ni Abe sa Spa Lodge. It's our wedding anniversary tomorrow.
Happy anniversary to us! This is our last year. Dalawa na lang kami. Kasi this year, we're gonna be 3! It's gonna be a great year for us. And then next year, we're gonna be 4. The next year, 5.
And then, nabisi si Abe with some R&D. I-share namin soon kung ano yung kinabibisihan ni Abe now. So, andito. Say hi!
Hi guys.
This is, do I call you Chef John Matthew? So, busy si Abe doon with something. We'll share more about that soon. And wala muna ang cakey. What do you want for lunch? Kasi, busy pa siya. Busy. At hindi niya kayang maghiwa ng eel. And we're gonna make unagi! Asa ng tornilyo? We try.
Tapos, ate, sorry. Last na talaga. Yung...
Tinatanggal lang ni chef ngayon yung mga tinek.
Go, chef!
Let's go, chef!
Paano umabot ng ganito?
So basically, this is it. You marinate the eel like this, then you grill it.
Yung isa pang kailangan namin bilhin, aircon talaga sa sa kitchen. Sobrang init!
Pero hindi na siya lumalaban, bro. Fake ito.
Saan nga na ko na?
Lambot na, bro. Focus na yan.
Thank you! Harap. Now, I am 36 weeks. So, malapit na akong mag-pop, guys. If 37 weeks ka na kasi, nag-aabang ka na, pwede ka na mag-pop. So, ngayon, inaya lang ako ng dad ko if kaya ko pa daw bang pumunta to Subic. So, ito yung balcony. Ito yung buong Airbnb namin. It's a 6-bedroom Airbnb. Abe is somewhere there, swimming, and nasa yacht sila. And the buntis cannot join them. Actually, dapat wala na nga ako dito eh. Pero, pinilit ko pa din as a lakwachera. Mom's here. They're here.
Yes. Sabi ko sa tita mo,
Yes?
maghahanap kami ng apam para sa kanya.
Sige, maghahanap tayo ng afam para kay tita. Okay. This is house. Ganda ng view. Actually, laki ng balcony.
Hey, what's up, guys? So we're here at the Airbnb. What's up, boy? What's up? Init. Init. Ayan na. Hi, Kai. Good afternoon.
Ay, hello.
Hey, Bo. Hi, Mom.
Hello.
Hi, Tita.
Hi.
Mga vloggers kasi yung mga kasama natin eh.
Vloggers.
Vloggers. So. Kami din.
Say hi to my vlog. To all your 100k subscribers.
Yay. My makeup right now.
Do a vlog.
Yay.
Di ako sure kung dapat bang may CCTV. Is CCTV allowed pag Airbnb or Agoda? Weird though, cause even sa rooms, meron. Boys room, there's a CCTV. Allowed ba yun?
Sinerge.
Kung allowed na may CCTV?
Wala namang allowed sa ganun. Basta Airbnb tsaka apartment, hindi pag hotel pwede.
Hotel room? Hindi
sa common.
Common.
Lahat naman sa common, pero pag sa loob na ng rooms at tsaka hindi na pwede yung CCTV. Pinessage na namin. Maril, bakit nakatapat sa akin to?
So, everyone's going to the boat. Bawal ako because Amelia. Pareho lang tayo. So baka mag-duty free na lang kami ni Mom. Say hi to vlog, Dad! Enjoy your boat. So, habang nasa yacht sila, andito kami sa yacht club for our desserts. We'll be having turon, halo-halo, and mango shake. Merienda na ubos. Solved. Pwede na mag-duty free. Habang ang boys nasa beach, ang girls ay andito. Chip, and then this strawberry apple. Which actually tastes like apple and sweet lang siya. Oh wait. Ayan, yung mojito tayo, alcohol free. After 3 hours. 9 p.m. na. Makakakain na rin ng lechon kawale.
Frozen siya kanina.
Good morning. Mommy's making breakfast. Beef tapa. So magaling si Hana. I am so big. Can you see my bump, guys? Can you see my bump? We are cooking our dinner tonight.
Yan, pakibaliktad yan.
Ito?
Yeah.
Balik na rin ko.
Sa pinakalikod. Sa pinakalikod na dalawa.
Okay.
Yan sa gitna.
Medyo madikit siya. View talaga, super ganda. Katotohanan sa pag-iihaw. Mauuna ka nang kumain bago pa sila dumating. Hi! Hello! And these are our friends. Kalimutan ko yung cam ko. Say hi. Nakalimutan ko yung cam ko. Boy, masarap. Okay? Good? Good?
First leave.
Smell of coffee.
Refreshing.
Ravioli.
In a cafe. And look at the difference of your parents, Amelia. Look at the difference.
Isa nagbabasa, yung isa
Isa nag-ML, isa nagbabasa. You're gonna pop, you're gonna go out. Oh,
My house. See you next week. We decided to go to Tagaytay after Subic. Kaya pa mag-drive?
Mas pipiliin ang Tagaytay sa malamig kaysa sa mainit. These are the questions.
Nagsakay lang kami ng gamit. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye guys.